Hey. This is Eli and his baby Einstein. Hey, baby. Hey, little man. Eli. Psst, psst. Yeah, good job. Standing up. He prefers to stand rather than sit. Look at you all grown up. Spin it. Make it. Oh, that's it. Can you make it do what you want? You just want to bite them? Eli. Do you remember what this does? Do you remember what this does? There you go. Yeah! Whee! Oh. Somebody slept 2.5, 3 hours today. Hi. Let's see, get a close up of that cute face. Look at that face! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? There's your book. Eli. Say hi. Look at that bubble. Look at that drool bubble. That's impressive. Little poochki, as Grandma would say. Oh, the sunshine. Oh, we bite the sun. We bite the sunshine. Yes, we do. We bite the sunshine. Have you been drinking? Have you been drinking? Here, let's see if you can turn around. Come here. I got you. Eli. Psst, psst. Psst, psst. Now that I walk away, you're into it. Eli.
Dog. Pedal.
There you go, you're turning. Good job.